Optoma UHD38 Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. Impressive picture quality. Product delivery from Amazon is fast. Amazing 4K content. Some users tested PS4, it runs perfectly. Highly recommended to those who are shifting from 1080p to 4K. Good brightness even in daytime. Detailed picture as it has high contrast ratio. Quiet operation, very low fan noise, which is unnoticeable. It is very easy to operate as the picture resolution gets adjusted automatically. The input lag is barely noticeable. Smooth motion without the image blurring issues. It can be a good alternative to a big TV. It can be a good alternative to a big TV. Reasonable price. It delivers good performance even on a normal wall. Cons. Users may have to compromise on color accuracy because of its high lumens brightness. A user complained that the projector suddenly died after few months. Key features. Optoma brand. "4K UHD display resolution. "4000 lumens brightness. Low input lag. VGA, USB and HDMI connection ports. 1.1x zoom. "40° keystone correction. DLP display technology. That's it, please like and subscribe.